Within the first week of being able to have this machine, be able to see the difference on our production floor from setup to setup, especially when you're setting up one machine multiple times in a day, it is about 4 hours of production a day has been saved by going to the auto adjust. My name is Landon Martin. I'm the machining manager and maintenance manager for United Brass Works located in Randleman, North Carolina. We are a production shop. We make industrial valves for a lot of different customers. We also do specialized engineering and custom machine work. We run a lot of bar loading jobs. We currently have 6 edge bar loaders. The newest one that we have is the 565 with the auto adjust, and we absolutely love it. Our setup people love it. It's cut down on our setup costs. Setup time have gone from possibly 45 minutes to an hour down to just a matter of probably about 5 minutes. We run all different sizes and shapes through all of our bar loaders, from 3/8 all the way up to 2.5 inches on most of our bar loaders. We needed something that was flexible, that we weren't changing over channels constantly in. So whenever we came to Edge and they came out with the 565 auto adjust, we knew, all right, that's exactly what we need in order to start saving costs and start cutting down setup time to get our spindles up quicker. So what separates Edge from the others? Their service is impeccable. We enjoy working with Edge. With the technology and how this thing is able to adjust to certain diameters. So we were questioning, so when does it actually adjust on the bar diameter and when does it actually come down? So I was able to call our local sales manager and say, hey man, he picked up the phone immediately. I was able to answer the question. I knew it within hours of having the question. He was able to fix it immediately. We've had the 565 auto adjust for a year, and it has acted just the way that we planned. Again, our setup people love it. They're not getting in there changing channels. They're punching a button, telling it what diameter to run. They're changing their collet, they're changing their blocks, and that's it. Done in 5 minutes.